This is item number AFK206, a 5/8 diameter by 14 inches long weight stack pin lanyard. This is used to tether a weight stack pin to a fitness machine so it doesn't get misplaced or stolen. It can be used to tether any pin that has a way to attach a key ring. Here are some weight stack pins that we have that can be used with a lanyard to tether it to the machine. These are all found on the same page with all of our weight stack pins. For weight stack pins that do not have a key ring hole, these can be drilled in most cases. These lanyards can also be used to tether other things like keys, cell phones, and just about anything you can put a key ring on. We will use this pin as an example and attach it to the lanyard with this key ring here. Let's thread it through the hole. There you go. While this lanyard is about 14 inches long, it can stretch to 40 inches or more to cover taller weight stacks. The coiled cable is PVC coated, so it has excellent rebound memory and it won't scratch the weight stack plates. It has a large key ring at one end and it's about 1 5/8 inches in diameter. The other end of the lanyard has a smaller key ring that's about 1 1/8 inches or so in diameter. This is a mock-up of a typical weight stack. You got a top plate, a center selector shaft, so you want to connect the large ring opposite the weight stack pin over this extended center selector shaft. Many times you've got a hollow bolt with the cable. All you have to do is disconnect it from the top of the weight stack and put the ring over it and then replace the bolt. Another common situation is a pulley connected to the top of the weight stack. To install the lanyard, all you have to do is unscrew the pulley with the fork and then slide the large ring over the center selector shaft and then put the pulley back in. Here's a situation where you have a weight stack with a hollow bolt with the cable. To remove the bolt and put the ring on, this is what it would look like. And you have free access to put this pin in anywhere. The pin and the lanyard never leave the weight stack. For heavier, taller weight stacks, this pin is capable of extending a pretty good distance and not lose its spring memory so it comes back the way it was. There'll be a link in the description directly to this product where you can find out more information or place an order. There will also be a link to our category page for both weight stack pins and lanyards. You'll find all of our weight stack pins on that page, as well as other choices for lanyards. If you would like to find out more about this weight stack pin, watch this video.